Look at that carbon fiber shield. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Oh my god. What does FZ stand for? Fluorescent zebra? Man, I guess. I haven't been on this bike in like a week. So I came here because A, I have some stuff to talk about. And I just need to ride because I like to ride and rather talk rather than like me like do a voiceover. I don't want to do all that. I'd rather just like show images on the actual screen when I do it. I don't know what I'm doing, man. It's like my first day or something. But that's baby girl. Let's get into it, right? Oh, excuse me. Things I will be talking about today. Actually, no. Cue the music.
This life, if it's not with you by my side, what's the point of all of this? If you're just gonna go ahead and quit, I told you that I'm sorry. We fell in love too fast, now we drifting like a Rari. I don't wanna play no games, but you play me like Atari. Felt like I was Kendall.
They told me, hey, I got it finally. Let's go. We're here to talk about cameras today. I've been using GoPro for a while, right? Since I ever started YouTube.
You were my Barbie. Every time I shoot my shot, I miss. I won't fall in the abyss. Not again, won't fall for your tricks. I put up a wall to keep my...
This is really cool, right? But I need more angles. I need more angles. I want different, I want something visually on the screen to give you more, to please the eye. I make my videos to make you feel and you really be invested. I want you to feel the hype in all sorts of ways. Oh my gosh. and I'm sitting here and I'm like, man, I don't know. I mean, how do I do it? You know, I put memes on the screen, blah, blah, blah. That takes time. I make an assortment of videos, right? But how can I make just a true kind of authentic moto vlog video? I want my videos to be different than everyone else's. And I think I'm doing a good job of it. But you don't get content, ever. You always need to strive for more, to be better. Be grateful, but never content. Never content, because that's when you get complacent. And the growth isn't made. We're humans. We're made to evolve. So evolve. Insta 360 was nice enough to throw some love. Woo! Woo! And throw me out a Insta 360 1R twin edition. What the heck is a twin edition? I got two lenses, two swappable lenses. It's like a freaking Lego set. You've played Legos. Wow! You scared me. I'm hot. Woo! Where the heck was I make everything complicated because I forget and I get distracted and then I'm like, where the what? Ah! Insta 360 twin R edition. So you get the battery base. Then you also get the golden guts and glory of why I even came with this camera, was a dual lens 360 mod. You know, you can grab other ones where it's not like this and it's not like a Lego set, but this one is actually pretty dope. And I'm used to using configurations and this little kind of square size shape, as well as it's the newest and biggest and baddest. It's the one you want. You also get a 4K wide angle lens. Now this is kind of your standard, the view you're looking on now is what it would be. I'm not using the 360 right now, the Insta 360. Use my terminology. I kind of just jump around with my words. Mind you, I'm doing this all off the top of my head, so give me a break if I'm like confused. You also get your mount, as well as a frame with it, and this hooks up on the bottom. It has your two-prong system, what everyone is used to, so this will feasibly work with all of your GoPro mounts, which is extremely useful and nice. You know, I want to throw the Insta 360 onto my helmet mount. All I have to do is take out the screw, excuse me, throw the new one, throw the Insta in, and boom, we're good. Literally, that's probably the best idea they could have gone with, is just switching over to that. Wow! This camera can see 360 degrees. The two lenses on either side of the camera are stitched together with their software automatically. Super easy computer software. And an even easier end, you have more access and what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word? More tools on the actual phone app. I don't prefer to edit that way, as well as I didn't need all of those functions. So the Insta 360 Studio, which is free and extremely easy to function. I was scared to work with this camera. I had anxiety for a week, because I had footage and I was like, I'm scared to learn this. I don't know what I'm doing. And you can go into free capture. You can move your actual lens and you can also pan out, you can tilt, you can rotate, you can do so much, absolutely so much with it. It's literally 1, 2, 3. A little bit more expensive than an actual GoPro, but the functionality and how much you get out of it, absolutely insane. This camera is going to pick up what I can't see. It's going to help me, as someone who's trying to gain skill on wheelies as well as a track. Literally editing it, I'm not actually thinking about it in a certain way, but I'm just watching my, oh, is that a train? That scared the crap out of me. I've learned so much by watching myself because I have the camera back here and it's picking up all of my body movements. If I wanted it in the front, I would get it in the front. The benefit from it is insane. You have a personal, it's Wednesday, isn't it? It's Wednesday. Yeah, he wants to take sugar. I didn't even, oh, hey Will, hey man, I'm like in the middle of a motovlog and I pick up the phone, I see your name and I'm like, it's Wednesday, isn't it? It's Wednesday, my dudes. Oh, oh, I'm coming up on a stoplight. Clutching. Ooh, my nose itches. I'm all over the place, but I'll still give you the knowledge. You gotta stay up with me. Keeps it interactive because I'm always bouncing from topic to topic and you're like, bro, what is he talking about? But at the end of the video, I kind of cover all the bases, so you might have to watch the video like 6 times, but you know, works out. With the invisible selfie stick, it's ultimately the big question, right? How the heck is your camera mounted behind you on your bike when no one's holding it? You don't see a mount, it's literally just floating there. Yeah, it's because it's attached to a freaking drone and it's following me with a really good drone pilot. Drone pilot. Yeah, we'll say that word. That sounds a lot better. So if your camera is, if I have a pole here and then my camera's right here sitting this way, whatever way, the automatic stitching, this is what I really love about Insta360 compared to other 360 cameras, is it automatically stitches out. You don't even have to worry about it. There's no toggles you need to hit, nothing. In the saving process, it automatically cuts out the stick and it appears to be floating. Now, you always will have a stitch line. There's ways around that stitch line. There's ways to improve the stitch line. A 360 camera can only do so much. You are stitching it together 2 actual different pictures. All depends on your angles. Really, I've hit a lot of the pros. This camera has picked up a near crash. You guys haven't seen it yet. A nearby crash almost happened right in front of my eyes, except for the fact that my head was facing straight and not behind me. And guess what? Whoop-de-doo, the 360 camera was rolling and I got the footage. Crazy content that you cannot expect. It's almost as though it is a personal cameraman following you around no matter where you are, really. I got 3 hours of sleep. I don't want you to get mad at me. I don't know what you're doing. Right? That's really all to it, guys. He gave me the peace sign. He was like, eh. The mic. I am not walking with this camera. I am moving at excessive speeds of, let's say 50, because I only go 55, because that is a speed limit around here. I don't go faster. Totally not lying. With high speeds, the camera's not able to distort the wind from the actual audio. That is one part that I do hope that they would improve on in the nearby future. That's really all to it. Following up, enjoy these clips. Big thank you. What is this tractor truck doing? What are you doing? Big thank you to Insta360. You guys are the best. Answered all my questions. The customer service is phenomenal. I think they're based out of China, but honestly, like, I don't know who I'm talking to, but amazing English. Second, they responded, you know, solid times. Let your creative juices flow, get ideas, execute them, and make some dope content, because I want to watch it. I'm sure the world wants to watch it. Maybe just your mom wants to watch it. It's all good. You made a dope video for your mom. What's up, guys? How's your day going? Good, man.
You would not believe your eyes. 10 million fireflies lit up the entire sky as we fall asleep at night. I don't wanna live this life if it's not with you.
I love the smiles and the confusion.
If it's not
you like
with
that?
You by my side.
You want to see another one?
What's the point of all
Yeah?
of this?
Alright, I'll give you another one.
Just gonna go ahead and quit. I don't wanna live this life. It's not with you by my side. What's the point of all of this if you're just gonna go ahead and quit?
Oh my gosh, good job, Cam. I'm not used to this.
Anything you say wouldn't even really matter. Woke up in the morning with a new attitude. Just because you left won't change my mood. I don't wanna die without you. Would not believe your eyes. If 10 million fireflies lit up the entire sky. As we fall asleep at night, I don't wanna live this life if it's not with you by my side. What's the point of all of this if you're just gonna go ahead and quit? I don't wanna live this life if it's not with you by my side. What's the point of all of this if you're just gonna go ahead and